Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the chocolate recipe in Heartopia like this. But first, make sure you already have the original jam recipe. You can just get it from the NPC Massimo. You can buy the recipe from him. And then next, just check your gardening level. You need to be at least level 12 since that with this level will be unlock the ability to grow chocolate trees and to get cocoa beans. This one at this level 12 you will unlock the cocoa tree seeds, and then next you can just plant it at your garden, and then you will get the cocoa beans. And once you have the recipe and cocoa beans, just go to your stove. Just tap on your stove and then just use the mixed jam, this one. Just use this mixed jam recipe as the base recipe that we're going to modify. And then next just replace all the fruits ingredients with the cocoa beans. And after that just tap on start cooking. And that's how you unlock the chocolate sauce recipe. But this time in my case, my gardening level isn't level 12 yet, so I can't grow chocolate trees or get cocoa beans at this moment. That means I can't show the full process yet in here, but overall the method is actually like what I just explained. Just replace all the ingredients at this mixed jam recipe with the cocoa beans. And okay, that's it. Hope this helped you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.